Hey, hi, hello, welcome back to my new video guys. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath FX YouTube channel, and if you're first time to this channel, hit the subscribe button down below and also follow the bell notification by pressing the bell icon. And if you like the video, give it a like guys. And in this video I'm going to unbox this Redmi Note 11 Starburst white color 6GB 64GB variant. I'll be unboxing this smartphone in this video, and also I'll be sharing my initial impressions on this smartphone and overview everything. And let's begin this video. This is a box you get, 6GB 64 variant and Redmi Note 11, and there are some specifications like Qualcomm Snapdragon 680. This is the latest chipset but 4G, and it's built on 6nm and 90Hz Full HD plus AMOLED dot display. You are getting AMOLED display for this price bracket, and also 90Hz, it means a higher refresh rate, and 6GB 64GB variant. Currently it's available on Amazon and Mi Store and also some of the offline markets. So this is particularly 14,500 price, and if you have Bank of Baroda credit or debit card, you will be getting for 13,500. and ultra budget model is 4GB 64GB, that's for around 12,500 with card offer. As you can see, Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 as I said before, and the AMOLED display, and Corning Gorilla Glass 5, I guess, yeah, it's 5, and 50 megapixel AI quad camera is given, and 5000 mAh of battery and 33 watt fast charging has been given inside the box. Samsung, Apple, Google, see, it's just 13,500 price bracket, they are giving 33 watt fast charging inside the box. Opening the box, inside the box you get this small pouch here. You get a SIM card ejector pin and some paper manual, and you get case also, Samsung, Apple. That's a budget model phone, still you are getting a typical case, simple case. At least a user should have this before getting good one outside. That's what I'll keep this side, and here comes the smartphone itself. This is the smartphone itself. It's light, not that much heavy, and under that this is how the fast charging cable is. This is a type C cable, you can see here, orange accent has been given. And I also unboxed and made a video on 33 watt fast charger unboxing and review, you can check out here. I will give the cards. This is how the 33 watt charger, rating 12 volts 2.25 amperes is the highest one. This is how the box contents you get. I will keep it aside, and let's look the smartphone itself. There is a screen guard pre-applied on this smartphone. I'll remove the IMEI sticker backside. This is a Starburst white color. It looks blue enough. It means like star is busted on white layer. And this is the camera model you get here. Main is 50 megapixel main camera, Samsung sensor I guess, and there is a ultra wide angle 8 megapixel and 2 megapixel depth and macro cameras, and a flashlight has been included here. This is how the overview you get, and here on the right side you get volume panel. It's clicky, and there is a power button. Underneath that you also get a fingerprint scanner, and downside you get speaker, type C port, and a main microphone. This side nothing is there, just a SIM ejector, I mean SIM card tool. You get a dedicated slot here, you can use both the SIMs and also a SD card, which is pretty good in this price bracket. Many will use that. And this is how the home screen, I will set it up. And coming to top side you get headphone jack, our favorite, and one more speaker grill, and IR blast, and one more secondary noise cancelling mic. These things you won't get in any smartphones at this price point, and I will set it up. It comes with dual Wi-Fi band, 2.4 and 5 GHz, both will support. And in comparison with Mi 11X, this one has 6.43, slightly smaller compared to Mi 11X, as you can see. Slightly, this is 6.67 and this is 6.43 inch DCI-P3 for wider color gamut and sunlight display and reading mode 3.0. Let's have this case and see how it looks. In the box only you get case. Okay, this how the look is. Fine, case is fine, and this is the display itself, and there are lots of apps are pre-installed, but compared to few years back, now just only Moj is installed and other apps most of the people use it. Facebook, Amazon Prime Video and Google Pay, some like that apps, Google News, Google Play Movies and Spotify, those apps are pre-installed here. And I will show you the benchmark results first, and I will speak about the performance. And this is a 2,18,000, you can check out here. Very decent scores for Snapdragon 680 at this price point. Now smartphones become a little bit pricier, I mean high price. And coming to like Geekbench scores here, as you can see, single score is 352 and multi score is 1505. Not bad. Single score should be at least around 500, but anyhow this is like around 10 to 12,000 price segment smartphone, but currently prices are high. You can think this is like 12 to 15,000 price segment, and for 16,000 6GB 128 variant is available with Bank of Baroda card. You will get 1,000 rupees discount. For that price 15,000 rupees 6GB 128GB could be great deal in my opinion. You can try that one, or you can try the 464 variant also, no matter. There is a dedicated slot also, but 128GB should have been better, and that's upon you which variant you need, and all the variants are okay for the price segment. Let me show you the always on display. As you can see, this is the always on display you get with this smartphone. This is an AMOLED display, very good display. In terms of display also it's really good in this price segment. In few years back we are getting LCD display, not with higher refresh rate also. Now this with an AMOLED display and 90Hz refresh rate, which is pretty good in my opinion. Few years back this is a Note 5 Pro, it had a 14nm build, Snapdragon 636, and this is Note 7 Pro. Few years back, it's still very good chipset, Snapdragon 675. It's 11nm build processor, and Note 9 series and 10 series and this Poco X3 X2 had 8nm 732G chipset, and this is Snapdragon 870 Mi 11X, my primary smartphone. This also a 7nm chipset. I agree the MediaTek is offering much better performance in this price segment, but those are like 12nm and some are 8nm, but you won't get this combination of AMOLED display and 90Hz refresh rate and 6nm processor, which makes really huge difference. You may not notice while using smartphone, you may not notice that difference, but internally it will have a huge difference compared to 12nm and 6nm. That you need to keep in mind. And this is a typical camera application. You get MIUI camera application. I just give allow and wide angle. It comes with like 346 ISP, Snapdragon 680, pretty good in this price segment current situation. And okay, shutter speed is also fine, not bad. I will check the cameras and I will make a review a little bit late, but tomorrow you have sale. If you want to buy, go for 6GB 128 with card offer, or even 4GB 64GB if you are light user. This is the smartphone, and pretty good smartphone for this price segment. This is typical MIUI 13 you get with box. As you can see, MIUI 13.0.3 with Android 11. They would have added Android 12, but anyhow, this is how you will get more MIUI updates on this smartphone. No need to worry regarding that. And you won't get any MIUI 13 features as of now. It's an initial build, I can say. Memory extension is given, and you get all the basic settings. As you can see here, those things are given, and out of the smartphone you get 3.7GB RAM available out of 6GB. It's fine enough, and 3.9GB is available, and plenty of apps are pre-installed here, and I also installed some of the apps. And about phone, as you can see, 28.2GB is already occupied. If you uninstall some of the apps, it will be like around 24GB fine. The smartphone looks light also, despite having 5000 mAh battery, and you can expect very good battery life. 10 to 12 hours you can expect definitely, because it's a 6 nanometer processor, and 33-watt fast charger is also included within the box, which is pretty good in my opinion in this price segment. Again, that makes this a good deal, and I can say this is one of the best 4G budget smartphone. Yes, it's 4G, not 5G. That's how it is. And that's it, guys. I'll wipe out. I'll be making review after several weeks. You can subscribe to my channel to get updates and everything, videos regarding this Note 11. This is the Redmi Note 11 6GB 64GB variant unboxing and overview and my initial impressions. If you like the video, give it a like, and if you're still not subscribed, subscribe it. And that's all in this video. We'll meet you with another interesting video. Until that, keep smiling. Bye bye for now.